Welcome to solverfy.
So let's look at the nervous system and specifically focus our attention on the autonomic nervous system. And before I start this problem, I recommend students to do the question themselves and then come back to see if they got it right or not. That is the true way of knowing if you fully understand the topic. So hopefully you've paused the question and done it yourself. Now let's work on it together. So when someone is doing public speaking, it can be a very stressful situation, right? As indicated by the question as well. So this actually activates your sympathetic nervous system, which is your excitatory part of the autonomic nervous system, right? And the neurotransmitter that is released in the postganglionic neuron within the sympathetic nervous system is acetylcholine, ACH for short. So the axons release acetylcholine on the postganglionic neurons within the sympathetic ganglia, right? I messed up one part. Acetylcholine is released by the preganglionic neurons. So let's maybe draw it out to make it a bit simple. This is a neuron, right? And this is the synapse. Just simplifying it. There's obviously going to be like dendrites or whatever. This is a weird drawing, but this section here would be the preganglionic neuron, and this part and so on would be the post, right? So these molecules here, let's say, would be acetylcholine. So acetylcholine would be released by the preganglionic neurons. And then the postganglionic neurons, this part here, right? They would release norepinephrine. Just making sure my spelling is correct. It would release the neurotransmitter norepinephrine into the target organs. So, like, if we looked at this part, this would be the postganglionic, and then this would be like the target organ, right? Target organ, and there would be norepinephrine here. So the norepinephrine would reach the target cell, and it would lead to excitatory response. So if you're standing there in front of everyone, publicly speaking, you would start sweating more, you would start feeling more hyperactive because your sympathetic nervous system is activated, right? So the answer here would be D. The answer is D. And I hope